Hello there, this is G again, so for Talyer AI. So gusto ko lang i-share yung ginagawa ko na project that might be very helpful for mga Pinoys. Specifically, if you're looking for solutions on specific use cases, let's say like marketing case, no? Kung kailangan mo lang tulong with an AI agent that does target audience or brand positioning or SEO checklist, mga ganun. So, hindi siya kagaya sa ChatGPT or sa Claude or sa Gemini na you just casually chat or converse with it. Ito specifically trained yung AI model to work on those specific topics lang. So, mas maganda na lang pakita ko na example how it's done, no? So basically, this is how it looks like. Yung mili lang ako ng templates na pwedeng gamitin. Like yan. So for customer support, ito yung mga options ng mga tao. Yan. And then kung kailangan nila ng legal stuff, they can have this mga chat agents to work on. Or kung kailangan nila ng marketing, these are other options na pwede nilang gamitin. So pwede rin for operations and HR, meron for product development, meron for sales, no? Na different kinds of AI agents that can be very helpful sa on specific topics lang. So inisip ko lang siya kasi nga para hindi na multiple or hindi na yung chats are going to be much more organized pag nag-chat kayo, and it's catered to Filipino setup. So hindi siya US, no? So may knowledge base na more on Pinoy knowledge base. So anyway, inisip ko lang to. This is just a project that I'm currently working on. Hopefully by 2025, early January, ma-share ko na sa website, and then you can actually try it out. I was actually excited out for this one. So yan, so this is like a project I'm working on na baka makatulong sa mga Pinoys who are interested or negosyante na interested in pursuing or understanding bit more about AI, and then ma-apply yung AI at least on the exchange of ideas with AI, no? Siyempre, ito yung ating pangulong. And so, yun lang. So, I just wanted to share the project for 2025, and it's going to be up on my website, so you can actually check it out and try it out. Once it's done, I'll announce it naman. So, thank you very much.